What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Salut tout le monde. These are my personal tips to get back on track with my fitness goals. I am not a professional, but these have personally worked for me. Tip 1, track that diet. Lifestyle changes start in the kitchen, and for a long time, I wasn't sure what portion size to eat or calories to intake. The Lifesum app tells you the sugar, carb, sodium, calorie count of what you consume. It's basically a personalized guide to help you reach your lifestyle and fitness goals, and most fitness mistakes can be found in your daily eating habits, from meal prepping on-the-go meals to cooking at home and preparing for the week. You can learn your eating habits and make adjustments to reach your specific goals. And if you want to download this app, it is free. I personally love the barcode scanner because it gives you that quick, effortless information on the ingredients that you're eating. It's super easy to use, and most items can be found within the app. You just take out the packaging of whatever you're eating, open the Lifesum app, and go to the barcode scanner, and it tells you the nutrition facts and details. So with that, Lifesum takes your health and diet data to offer recipes and diet tips to help you create a schedule fit for your weight loss, muscle gain, and overall fitness needs. Tip 2 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar with the mothers has so many beneficial ingredients. I personally have noticed better digestion, reduced cravings, decrease in stomach bloat, and my skin has been popping, y'all. Every morning, I take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and about 4 to 6 tablespoons of lemon juice that I pre-squeeze in the beginning of every single week. And then with that, I take about 4 to 6 ice cubes to help dilute the apple cider vinegar, and I mix it very well. For a lot of people, this can be really strong, and if you hate vinegar or have a very weak stomach, I do suggest that you add some water, or even add like 8 to 16 ounces of water and drink it hot with a tea to help with the taste. Y'all, now this has been my biggest struggle this last year because it has been so hard for me to focus working out alone. I used to be so self-motivated in the gym, but I felt like things were getting very predictable and repetitive. Most public gyms offer group classes to help motivate you, make working out fun, and help push you in group-like settings with other people with the same goals. Depending on your area, there's also a lot of personalized studios with specialized fitness classes like spin, yoga, bar, and dance that can be really fun and challenging. You can also track your workout in the Lifesum app, and it will adjust your daily calorie and water intake based on your workout. Tip 4, reduce or eliminate artificial sugars. This made a huge change in my body. I started off by looking up and researching some common artificial sugars, and I was amazed of how many of them were inside the food that seemed to be healthier, with labels like light and low and reduced sugars. The packaging seems to be so healthy, lifestyle friendly, but the sugar substitutes in most cases are more harmful for your body. I am not an expert, and I did not eliminate everything. I'm still learning, but I do suggest that you look at the ingredients of what you are eating. I have listed some of the artificial sugars in this video. I know it's a lot of confusing information, so the new weight loss Kickstarter is perfect for anyone who needs guidance and has weight loss goals. It gives you a 3-week meal plan with 4 meals each day. You can see and plan what you can eat, and it even gives you a shopping list to bring to the grocery store because we all know that's the most confusing part. And it allows you to learn about healthy ingredients as well as the amount and servings you should be having. Tip 5, drink lots of water. So cliche, but it has consistently been beneficial for me. I try my best to drink at least 1 gallon of water daily, and especially on those days when I really work out. If it's hard for you to consume a lot of water, try infusing it with fruits and veggies to make it taste better. I personally add lots of lemon to mine. I love lemon, and I feel like it detoxifies my body when I add it to my water. I try to mix it up by adding basil or mint. This in particular is basil, and it has benefits like boosting your immune system, and it's great for your liver. It's best to let it sit overnight, but if I'm in a rush, I just shake it up really well and it's ready to drink. I hope the tips that have helped me can also help you with your fitness and lifestyle goals. If you do want to incorporate the Lifesum app, don't forget the free download link is down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much again for watching my video, and I will see you on the next upload.